Alright, this is what we're having for supper, barbecue chicken. The birds around here are going crazy because there's a storm coming. Just nuts. It's very cold out, and it is very windy, and I want to finish these before it gets too bad out here. I'm just getting used to this grill because I like fire. I'm like a cave woman. I don't like, I don't know what people got going on today. I like, you know, open flame. I don't like propane because I'm terrified. I think in a past life, I had an accident with some sort of fuel or something. Anyway, I don't know why my neighbors are in front of my house with kids. They're lovely, but I'm trying to make a video here, please. Anyways, I had just enough barbecue sauce. It's homemade barbecue sauce. I had just enough to cover both sides. What I like to do is I like to cook it for a few minutes on one side, then flip it and put some barbecue sauce on it. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not used to this at all. Let's try to, I don't want to get my sauce off there. I just don't feel real hot. I had it on real low, but even for low, it wasn't hot enough, if that makes sense. You see? Look at that. It's still raw in there. I mean, I could leave it on low and cook it. I prefer things on low. And if you're like me and you forget to bring out a clean fork, just set it in there, like this, and close the lid, and that'll sanitize your forks. So you don't have to run in the house again. Okay, so I'm going to close this up. This is just a cheap little barbecue, but it's fine. You don't need nothing fancy. Again, prefer fire. Yeah, the birds are going crazy. It is going to storm bad. It's been raining and raining today. Or sorry, this year is going to be a real good grow season. If you grow fruits and vegetables or whatever, this year is going to be really good because we had lots of rain. There must be 100 birds in my neighbor's tree. 100 birds. Just going berserk. What else I want to tell you? Oh, I just seasoned the chicken as well. Salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. I feel like I'm using the same seasonings over and over again. I do change it up, but most likely I'll stick with the same ones. Look, more birds. I wish I could show y'all. There's literally, I never seen some, you know how you get flocks of birds, but this is incredible. So let's just check it. Because, like I said, I'm getting used to this here. Why is it not hot? Should be cooking a little faster than that. I don't like that. Maybe I should just start on medium heat to begin with. Forget the low and slow. Oh, for goodness sakes. Let's close it up. Anyways, I'm going to close this up and let it cook for a good 20 minutes. Because I'm not happy with this. But anyways, y'all see. It's just a little treat because, like I said, it's still winter here, pretty much. Even though it's spring, the weather is so cold. But yeah, we'll get there. And close it up and go inside and get warm. Bye.